Today, we will be assembling the 12-volt Disney Frozen Ride-On with remote control by Action Wheels Toys. With the vehicle upside down, remove the nuts and washers from the rear axle. Slide the rear wheel into the rear axle. Make sure that the wheel driver lines up and slides all the way into the gearbox. Repeat these steps for both sides. Use both wrenches provided to tighten both left and right nuts simultaneously. Gently press on the wheel cover until it clicks into place. Remove the nuts and washers from the front axle. Slide the front wheel onto the front axle. Tighten using the tools provided. Gently press on the wheel cover until it clicks into place. Repeat these steps for both sides. Next, let's take a look at the steering wheel. Remove the bolt from the column of the steering wheel. Turn the vehicle into an upright position. Remove the protector from the steering column. Connect the wires from the dashboard and the steering wheel. Slide the steering wheel into place and align with the holes at the other end of the steering column. Tighten and secure. To install the side windows, first open the door by releasing the lever from the interior. Line up the side windows with the door and snap into place. Repeat this for both sides. Use 3 of the screws provided for each door to tighten and secure. To install the rear window, line it up against the main part of the body. Work the tabs in gently until it clicks and is secure. Secure using 2 of the screws provided. To install the windshield, insert the tabs on the windshield into the grooves of the vehicle body. Push until you hear it click into place. Insert the side mirror into the hole on the side window. Push until you hear it click into place. Connect the battery wire connector with the system wire connector, leaving no gaps between connectors. To install the seat, first insert the tabs at the back of the seat into the grooves on the vehicle body and slide the seat into place. Tighten the 2 screws with a screwdriver. Remove the back plate of the remote control to install 2 AAA batteries. Press any button to turn on the remote control. The remote control will automatically connect to your toy when the toy is on. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to our friendly customer service at the phone number provided.